Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate TubeBuddy to boost YouTube SEO earnings step by step clearly. To activate TubeBuddy, start by visiting the TubeBuddy website. Click on the sign up button at the top right corner of the home page. Fill in the required information to create your account. Once your account is created, log in using your credentials. After logging in, you will be prompted to connect TubeBuddy to your YouTube channel. Click on the Connect with YouTube button. This action will redirect you to a YouTube login page. Enter your YouTube account details and click Allow to grant TubeBuddy necessary permissions. You will be taken back to TubeBuddy, where your YouTube channel should now be linked. Now, you can explore various TubeBuddy features tailored to enhance your channel's SEO. Familiarize yourself with the Keyword Explorer tool, which helps you identify effective keywords for your videos. Use the Video SEO tool to get suggestions for optimizing your titles, descriptions, and tags. Take advantage of the thumbnail generator to create eye-catching thumbnails that attract viewers. Consider utilizing the A/B testing feature for titles and thumbnails to determine what performs best. Check out the competitor scorecard to analyze how your channel stacks up against others in your niche. Regularly review the Tag Explorer to find popular tags relevant to your content. Monitor your channel's performance through the analytics features provided by TubeBuddy. Make adjustments based on the data you gather to continuously improve your channel's SEO. As you grow more comfortable, explore advanced features like the bulk processing tools for managing multiple videos. By consistently using TubeBuddy, you can significantly enhance your YouTube SEO efforts and increase your earnings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.